How to find your first medical VA client online. Finding your first medical virtual assistant (VA) client online requires strategy, networking, and persistence. Here are some effective steps to get started. 1. Build a strong online presence. Create a professional LinkedIn profile showcasing your skills and experience. Develop a website or portfolio highlighting your services. Join healthcare-related forums and groups to connect with potential clients. 2. Use freelance platforms. Sign up on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer to find medical VA job postings. Optimize your profile with relevant keywords to attract healthcare professionals. 3. Network with healthcare professionals. Engage with doctors, clinics, and medical offices on social media. Offer free consultations or trial services to build trust and credibility. 4. Leverage job boards and VA agencies. Check job boards like Indeed and Glassdoor for remote medical assistant roles. Apply to VA agencies specializing in healthcare support. 5. Offer specialized services. Highlight skills such as medical billing, appointment scheduling, and patient communication. Tailor your services to meet the specific needs of healthcare providers. 6. Ask for referrals and testimonials. Request feedback from initial clients to build credibility. Encourage satisfied clients to refer you to others in the industry. Here are some extra miles that you can do to get a potential client. Create a niche offer, specializing in a specific area like medical billing, transcription, or patient scheduling can make you stand out. Build case studies. If you've worked on any relevant projects, showcase them as case studies to demonstrate your expertise. Engage in content marketing, write blog posts, create videos, or share infographics about medical VA services to attract potential clients. Collaborate with other VAs. Partnering with experienced medical VAs can help you get referrals and gain credibility. Attend virtual healthcare conferences. Many medical professionals attend online events. Networking in these spaces can help you connect with potential clients. Leverage email marketing. Build an email list and send valuable content to potential clients, keeping them engaged and interested in your services. Guest appearances on podcasts. Join industry-related podcasts to share insights and subtly promote your expertise. Create a lead magnet. Offer a free resource, like an ebook or checklist, in exchange for potential clients' contact information. Engage in local networking. Even if you're looking for online clients, local networking events can lead to valuable connections. Develop strategic partnerships. Collaborate with complementary businesses that can refer clients to you. Optimize your SEO. Ensure your website ranks well for relevant keywords so potential clients can find you easily. Offer limited-time promotions. Discounts or special offers can encourage hesitant clients to take action. Utilize video marketing. Create engaging video content explaining your services and how they benefit clients. Follow up consistently. Many potential clients need multiple touchpoints before making a decision, so keep in touch.
And that ends our video. Hope this was interesting, and we're glad to have you with us. Thank you for watching. If you like content like this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.